Welcome back to Arco Storage. Today, we're tackling a project that might not be at the top of your to-do list, but is incredibly important: creating a comprehensive home inventory. Imagine the unexpected happens, be it theft, natural disaster, or a fire. Having a detailed inventory can be a lifesaver. It simplifies the insurance claim process, helps you keep track of your possessions, and gives you peace of mind. Plus, it's an excellent opportunity to declutter and reorganize. Begin with a room you use often, like your living room or kitchen. List every item, yes, every single one: furniture, electronics, personal items, and even those knickknacks on the shelves. Use a digital tablet or a simple clipboard and paper, whatever works for you. The key is consistency. Take clear photos or videos of each item, especially those of high value. Don't forget serial numbers for electronics and appliances. For antiques or jewelry, keep appraisals or purchase receipts handy. Digital tools and apps can streamline this process, allowing you to store everything in one place. Regularly update it as you acquire or get rid of items. Set a yearly reminder to review and refresh your inventory. It's also smart to store a copy of your inventory in a safe, easily accessible location outside your home, like in cloud storage or a safe deposit box. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating and maintaining a home inventory. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to visit www.arcostorage.com for clean, safe, and secure self-storage.